Hello beauties, I just want you guys to check out those trendy short haircuts for women that have thin hair, and it's an attractive way for you to remove those bulk from your locks but still keep the volume you naturally have. One thing with this style, sometimes you can add some highlights of blonde or brown or even any color of your choice to your darker mane to always pull off the dimension. And this all-time chic hair doesn't need a certain face shape to make it work. It's a kind of beautiful style that will always give you that bold and unique haircut. You can see how this haircut is so beautiful. And one thing with this style, after having this cut, you'll be inspired to want to have it again and again, because it's really a versatile style for women with short hair who really love a pop of color. And one thing with the style, it creates that movement and volume, and the hairstyle works well for women with different face shape and hair types. And you can see how it's been customized to flatter each individual. Just try using those texturizing spray or even a dry shampoo to always enhance this hair and always add volume to it. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. If you really want to add fun to this hair, all you have to do is that make sure you have the right product, the right shampoo, the right leave-in conditioner to use on your hair, and the right oil to give it that perfect look, for that fine hair types and those that have the natural salt and pepper, because it will always make your hair to come out beautifully, and it will always enhance the shape of your face. So you can sometimes take this haircut to your barber or your stylist for them to know the kind of style you want, if you can do it yourself, so that they can give you the exact style you want. So just go for this beautiful short hairstyle, because you can see how it's great for women on the go who really don't have more than 5 minutes to spend on their hair. You can see how the haircuts are super fun, and they are that kind of hairstyle that will save you so many time in front of the mirror, and the time you save daily will require more frequent week visits like to the salon to always keep it shaped up every 4 to 6 weeks. I also love this haircut. It's beautiful and it's a natural haircut for beautiful black women. It's also a kind of style that will make you look modern, for those beautiful women that want to look modern, and those people that really want to get those picture up in this 2024. So just try this kind of hairstyle with this texture, and you will see how you will come out looking so gorgeous. So let me just let you guys to please several the styles we have. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.